Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the first biology lecture, class first year. Today our topic will be cell wall. In this lecture, we will study the following contents: discovery of cell wall, its definition, some characteristics, structure of cell wall, and some important functions of cell wall. Discovery: cell wall was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, earlier than protoplast. What is protoplast? The living part of the cell inside the cell wall. The living part of the cell inside the cell wall is known as protoplast, that is cytoplasm and nucleus. Or in simple or other words, plant cell without cell wall is called protoplast. As you know that cell wall is the only non-living component of the plant cell. So plant cell without cell wall is called protoplast. What is cell wall? Cell wall is the outermost boundary of the plant cells. Now, characteristics of cell wall. Cell wall is the outer protective layer of the plant cells. Cell wall is the outer protective layer of the plant cell. Cell wall is a thick and hard structure. Cell wall is a thick and hard structure. Number 4. Cell wall is secreted by the protoplasm of the cell for its protection. What is protoplasm? The living matter of the cell is called protoplasm, that is cytoplasm plus nucleus. So cell wall is secreted by the protoplasm of the cell for its protection. Means it is not the part of protoplasm, rather it is the product of protoplasm. In other words, cell wall is secreted by the cell they enclose. It is secreted by the cell they enclose. Number 4. Cell wall is fully or completely permeable to water in solutes, and cell wall is the only non-living component of the plant cell. Another characteristic of the cell wall is that formation of cell wall takes place at telophase phase of the cell division. At telophase phase of the cell division. Now coming into the structure and chemical composition of cell wall. Structure and chemical composition of cell wall depend on the age and function of the cell. Structure and chemical composition of cell wall depend on the age and function of the cell. For example, in young cells, the cell wall is thin and delicate, while in old cells, the cell wall becomes thick and hard. Now coming into the structure of cell wall. Cell wall consists of 3 layers, that is middle lamella, primary wall, and secondary wall. We will study these 3 layers one by one. Middle lamella. Middle means in between. Lamella means layer. What is middle lamella? Middle lamella is the first form layer present between the 2 primary walls of adjacent cells. The first form layer present between the 2 primary walls of adjacent cells. It holds or cements the neighboring cells together. Its function is to hold the neighboring cells together. Now look into this diagram. It shows the structure of cell wall. These rectangular boxes 1, 2 and 3 represent plant cells, and the cell wall consists of 3 layers. The outer layer is primary wall. Inner to the primary wall, this blue layer is secondary wall, primary wall, secondary wall, and inside inner to the secondary wall, this red layer represents cell membrane or plasma membrane. Primary wall, secondary wall, primary wall, secondary wall, plasma membrane. Where is middle lamella? Middle lamella, this layer, this blue shaded layer represents middle lamella. Middle lamella is the first form layer between two primary walls of adjacent cells. This is the primary wall of one cell. This is the primary wall of another cell. This layer between the two primary walls of adjacent neighboring cells is called middle lamella. This is middle lamella. What is its function? It holds or cements the neighboring cells together, or in other words, it holds the two primary walls of adjacent or neighboring cells. So this is outer layer is primary wall. Next to the primary wall, inside to the primary wall is secondary wall. This is plasma membrane, and the layer present between the two adjacent primary walls of neighboring cells is called middle lamella. Now, diameter of middle lamella. Middle lamella is usually thin and about 1 micrometer thick. 1 micrometer. Chemical composition of middle lamella. Middle lamella is chemically composed of pectin. Pectin is a polysaccharide carbohydrate. Pectin is a gelling agent. Pectin is a gelling agent and a sticky substance and acts as adhering or cementing material. That is, as we earlier studied, that it holds the neighboring cells or adjacent cells together. So it is a sticky substance adhering or cementing, acting as adhering or cementing material. Pectin occurs in the form of calcium or magnesium pectate. Calcium pectate or magnesium pectate. Primary wall. The primary wall is the first form wall in a developing cell. Primary wall is true wall, present in every cell, or in other words, primary wall is true wall as in some cells, for example parenchyma, collenchyma, meristematic cells. It is primary wall is the only cell wall. Primary wall is the only cell wall. All living cells are primary walled. Means all living cells have only primary wall. So it is true wall present in every living cell. Now, living cells are primary walled. For example, parenchyma, collenchyma, meristematic and mesophyll cells. These are living cells and they are primary walled. They have only primary wall. That is why primary wall is considered as true wall, because it is present in every cell. Chemical composition of primary wall. Primary wall is chemically composed of number 1, cellulose. Cellulose is a polysaccharide and its unit is a 6-carbon sugar known as glucose. Cellulose is present in the form of fibers, short, small fibers called microfibrils in crisscross manner. In crisscross manner. That is, the fibers, these are the small fibers are called microfibrils. That is, the fibers of each layer are at right angle to the fibers of the other layer. So cellulose is present in the form of microfibrils in crisscross. And these microfibrils then consist of glucose units, 6-carbon sugar. Number 2, hemicellulose. Hemicellulose composed of 5-carbon unit known as xylene units. It is made up of 5-carbon unit known as xylene units. It is structurally different from cellulose. Pectin, number 3, as we earlier studied in middle lamella, that it is a polysaccharide. Diameter or thickness of primary wall, it is 1 to 3 micrometer thick. Primary wall is 1 to 3 micrometer thick.